Hi guys, welcome back to the Code Freak channel. Freak out as you code. Okay, so let's get started. Before we get started, I tried to make something which actually looks nice. I was feeling bad that actually nothing looks good on our web page. So I tried to make something which looks good from what we have learned. Okay, so I'll just show you through that. So here what I did was I selected a UL, and inside the UL you can select the LI. So the LI inside UL. Okay, so if you go to the form here, and then I'll just show you that here. So all the li in the ul, so you have li here also, but it won't get selected, but only the li in the ul. So that is something new which we are learning now. Okay, I have not told till now. So for all the li inside ul, you put a background color. So this is the background color which I've chosen, and then maybe a padding I've put and margin I've put on the left side. All right, 35 pixels, that's what you can see here. All right, margin. So yeah, can you guess what margin is? I guess you remember. So it is inside or outside the border? It's outside the border. Okay, so just remember that. So for the UL as such, okay, so margin left was something here, I guess. So for the UL as such, so for the whole UL, I've put a background color called tomato color. Okay, and a padding as 20 px. So if I just actually comment this off, so and then refresh it, let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't save it here. Okay, I'll save it. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So that looks kind of good actually, better than, so you can make it even for an ordered list and do all that. It looks kind of good, may not be very good looking, but you can make rounded, all that you can do, and then you can actually get a lot of stuff here going. Okay, so let's continue with our thing that we were trying to do. I'll just uncomment this. Yeah, perfect. So we'll go back here. So we will try to do list styles. Okay, so for these lists we'll try to put some styles. Okay, so we have list style type. So you have circles here, then you can make it a square, lower alpha, upper roman. So let's try out a few of them. So maybe here only, maybe here or here, doesn't matter. So you can have see, as you can see, you can have multiple of them. All right, that we were doing list style type. Okay, so let's do that. List style type. Yeah, perfect. So in list style type, we want to put maybe roman, upper roman. So you have here upper alpha. Okay, upper alpha, let's see what happens. All right, so you can see ABC, so alphabets basically. All right, so you say you want roman letters, one capital 1 2 3. I have put in the thing here, upper roman. So yeah, lower alpha, upper roman, you can use all of them. So we are going to, you can try out all of them, but I'm just going to leave with this much. Okay, so just refresh it here. So you can see 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's how it is. So now let's look at the other list style. So position, so you want this thing outside or inside, so you can choose that also. So that's also something kind of important, right? So let me try list position. So where is that? Yeah, it's here. So maybe I want it right now, it's outside, so I want it inside. So I don't know if it is outside, inside. Let's check it out anyway. Yeah, so perfect, whatever I thought. So you can make it inside, then it all the things, so it goes inside the li as such. So whatever you're putting for the li, whatever data you're putting for the li, it applies to that then. So you got to be careful of that. Okay, so yeah, perfect. So now let's go and see the other one. So type, list type none, just for now just understand that that's another thing that is there, which we forgot as such. Okay, so let's put this back. Okay, perfect, this looks good. So there's one more thing that we'll cover here. So you have a link here, right? Google link. So you, when maybe when I come here, you want it to shine or something like that, so the button to glow or something like that, so something like that happens, right? So for that we have a link, a normal unvisited link, visited. So if it is visited, the color will change, so you can do that. If it's active, then that means a link the moment it is clicked, and a hover, so when you hover, what you want the thing to happen there. So let's go to the styles and then do that. So a hover, I think that is something which we will try out for now, so that other things you can actually leave it. So what you want, maybe the color to change. So color, we'll change it to maybe it's some darker blue or lighter blue. What do you like, which highlights it more? So I think maybe a lighter blue, so I'll just type light blue. Yeah, that looks good. So let's save it and refresh it. Okay, so now when I hover over it, see, it becomes light blue. Okay, so yeah, that's good, nice, perfect. So that's one thing. So in the same way, you can try out for visited, link, active. You can, I mean, like, keep that also. So yeah, I've put in the things here. So that's it for today's video, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye bye.